दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मेसी IQ। आज हम फार्माकोलॉजी के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ेंगे। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और फॉर मोर अपडेट्स एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन बेल बटन को दबा दीजिए। एंड फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पूरा वीडियो को देखिए। इन दिस वीडियो द टॉपिक कवर्ड आर डेफिनेशन, historical evidence, scope, nature and sources of drugs, and essential concepts of drugs. First of all, we'll go with the definition of the pharmacology. Pharmacology is a science of drugs. It is derived from the Greek word that is pharmakon, matlab drug, logos, matlab discuss. Pharmacology is a branch of medicine concerned with the use, effects, and mode of action. फार्माकोलॉजी एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसमें यूज़, इफेक्ट्स, मोड ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ ड्रग्स को हम पढ़ते हैं। और फार्माकोलॉजी इज स्टडी ऑफ हाउ ए ड्रग अफेक्ट्स द बायोलॉजिकल स्टडी एंड हाउ द बॉडी रिस्पॉन्ड्स टू द ड्रग, माने फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स एंड फार्माकोडायनामिक्स। Next, moving towards the father of pharmacology, Oswald Schimmelbusch regarded as father of pharmacology because he put forward many of the fundamental concepts of the pharmacology. And Ramnath Chopra is father of Indian pharmacology. Then moving to our second topic, that is historical evidence of the pharmacology. Animal pharmacology was started at 18th century by Megande and Bernard. Later, experimental sciences was determined in 1847 by Rudolf Bechem. And in 19th century, father of pharmacology, Oswald Schimmelbusch, introduced fundamentals of pharmacology. It is widely popularized by Lange, Fraser, Ehrlich. Pharmacology is divided into two divisions, that is pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. Pharmacodynamics का मतलब what drug does to the body, मतलब physiological and biochemical effects of the drug. And pharmacokinetics का मतलब what body does to the drug. It includes movement of the drug, that includes ADME, absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Next, moving to the definition of the drug according to WHO. According to WHO, the drug is any substance or product that is needed or intended to be used to modify or to explore physiological systems or pathological states for the benefit of recipient. This is the definition of drug according to WHO. It is defined in 1996. Moving to another topic, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। एंड the next topic is scope of pharmacology. Scope of pharmacology include computer assisted drug design, pharmacotherapeutics, protein engineering, clinical pharmacology, novel drug technology, toxicology, genetic screens and chemotherapy. These are scopes of pharmacy. The next topic is nature of drugs. Nature of drugs are broadly classified into organic and inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds. The examples of inorganic compounds are lithium carbonate, ferrous sulfate and magnesium hydroxide. Next, organic compounds are again divided into weakly acidic, weakly basic and non-electrolytes. The examples under weakly acidic organic compounds are aspirin, penicillin, and the weakly basic organic compounds are morphine, chloroquine. The examples under non-electrolyte organic compounds are alcohol and diethyl ether. The another classification of nature of the drugs include solids, liquids and semi-solids. In solids, the examples of dosage forms are tablets, capsules and granules. The examples of drugs are paracetamol, propanol and furosemide. The examples under liquids, the dosage forms are syrups and elixirs, and the drugs are ethanol and glyceryl trinitrate. And semi-solids are suppositories and ointments are examples of dosage forms, and calamine is the example of drug. Next, the example of gases is nitrogen oxide. Next topic is sources of drugs. Sources of drugs include plants, animals, microbes, minerals, synthetic chemistry and biotechnology. The classification under plants are alkaloids, glycosides and oils. Alkaloids include atropine, morphine reserpine, and quinine. The glycosides include digoxin, digitoxin, gentamicin, and oabin. And last and final oils are essential oils, mineral oils. The examples also include paraffin, liquid paraffin, and waxes. Then the examples under animals are adrenaline, thyroxine, insulin, and many more vaccines. The examples under microbes are penicillin, gentamicin, tetracycline, erythromycin, along with many of the antibiotics. The examples under minerals are iron salts, calcium salts, aluminium and magnesium hydroxides, iodine. The examples under synthetic chemistry are thiazides, azoles, ACE inhibitors, and benzodiazepines. The examples under biotechnology are human insulin and growth hormone. The last concept of this video, that is essential concepts of drugs. According to WHO, drugs are classified into prescription drugs and non-prescription drugs. Prescription drugs include sold in retail only against prescription issued by the registered practitioner. And non-prescription drug include sold in retail without any prescription. It is in Schedule H of Drug and Cosmetics Act. It is also called OTC drugs, mane over the counter drugs. The examples under prescription are most of the antibiotics, antipsychotics, and antidepressants. The examples under prescription non-prescription drugs are simple analgesics, antacids, laxatives, and vitamins. And the special topic of this video is orphan drugs. Orphan drugs are biological products for diagnosis, treatment, prevention of rare diseases or endemic diseases for which there is no reasonable expectations that the cost of marketing from sales of that drug. Example: bisulfan, carboprost, rifaximin, sodium thiosulfate, thiotepa. These are the examples of orphan drugs. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. In the last, this is the mind map of the total video. It includes definition. Definition includes pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. And Oswald Scimitybug, he is the father of pharmacology. Then it includes history. Scope. Scope includes 8 different sections. And nature of the drugs. Nature of drug includes 2 types, that is organic and inorganic nature of drugs. And second one is solid, liquid, and gaseous semi-solid nature of drugs. And sources include 6 different sources, which include plants, animals, microbes, minerals, synthetic chemistry, and biotechnology. Next, the last topic is essential drug concept. It includes prescription drugs and non-prescription drugs. And the special topic is orphan drugs. Thank you for watching the video.